Oh dear. What the hell is happening today? Where is he? I don't understand what's happened. He must have fallen. Oh dear. Yep. Here we go. Woohoo! Welcome to today's ride. It's a very exciting ride today. We are setting off on a 7-hour road trip. Well, it's going to be more than 7 hours. It's 7 hours without stops, according to SatNav. So we'll see how long it really is in reality. And it's predominantly going to be off-roading. So it's super exciting. And we're heading from Lakes of Guadalupe up off-roading up to a place called Almodóvar del Río, which we have been to before on the channel, but slightly different route, in the province of Córdoba. So this is the start of our adventure. Look at the lake. That's Guadalteba, part of the Guadalupe Lakes. And this road becomes a track, and then it's really track almost all the way. Welcome to the ride today. Off we go. I've been looking forward to this road trip for a very long time, I must say. Oh, look at all that water. We haven't been down here since the rains, so we don't actually know if it's passable. It wasn't passable when the rains came. Woohoo! That's a lot of water. But then again, the reservoirs are full, so it's not surprising, I suppose, that there's water where I haven't seen it before. Okay, and here begins the track. We shall see what we find. I'm not going to ride fast because we don't know what we're going to find. So the water's right up to the trackside here. What do you think of this track? It's lovely, huh? It's beautiful. Ah. What a start!
No?
Up the Abdulaziz Road and turn left into Lagunitas.
Okay.
The other route. We have to look at this.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think anyone's gonna say we should have ridden through it.
What goes through the bushes? Water everywhere.
No, if it's like this here, the next one will be unpassable as well. That's going to add time to our schedule. Oh, what a funny thing. So much water. Oh dear. That's going to add an hour. So I hope you can see it on the camera, but if not, I'll show you a photo. That is just a pure lake there. Total lake. So we could have gone submarining with the bikes. But that's all. No way through. What a lot of water. Back the way we came. Just so you see the water, that's all. What's happened to Harry? But I don't know what's going on. I perhaps have to go back round and look for him. It's a mystery. Oh dear. What the hell is happening today? Where is he? I don't understand what's happened. He must have fallen. Oh dear. Look, he's coming, whatever happened.
I thought there was a track around it. But there was a track.
If you cross this one, there's another one.
Ah.
There's definitely no way around the other one. I don't know how to do this. I need to think. I'll just do it there. Make it easy on myself, why not? I have to learn that, don't I? You can just do your own thing, but the other person wait for you. It's okay. I didn't think it was okay, to be honest. I thought you'd had an accident. Let's turn this off. So, change of plan. We've just had a chat, and because of this track being flooded, to go round the other alternative track route, which was an option, means going back on ourselves and it will take longer. So we decided just to go by road to Campillos and start our off-roading from Campillos. So I think I'll switch the camera off now and put it back on when we start our off-roading trip or when we go through Campillos. So see you there, because I think we've seen the lakes enough times on this channel and I'm going to ride past the lakes now. So let's turn it off.
Well, that's better, but up there it was 16.
it's recording and the mic should be on. Okay, so we're coming into Campillos. And Campillos was famous for its leather in the past. Campillos, Campillos. I have to say, I don't find anything charming in Campillos except for the lagunas. It's kind of a, I don't know, strange feeling Campillos has. Lots of flies. Oh God.
Ja, overal man.
Oh no. Thank you. Good, perfect. I'll let you get ahead. Because of the dust.